Hey y'all, it's me, Barb Hardly, out of drag, and here to show you something that I just bought that I'm very excited about. So go on and jingle your bells and deck your halls because I have bought my first Christmas gown of the season. So I went to that store at the mall that I'm always talking about. It's called Runway NY. And honestly, I'm open to sponsorships, especially if it would get me a discount. This is what I carried on the subway all the way home. Like an unboxing, ungowning. Are you ready? Oh my god, okay. Now yes, this was the only gown in the store that was my size, a 14. But it is one that I've had my eye on for a while. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. How do we like? I should, try this on, don't you think? Reveal! Okay, so there are a lot of problems here, but that's good because I wouldn't want to show you the finished look anyway. So first of all, I can't zip it up back here. So that's fun, but that's fine, because I can get a little lace up back, so I can actually be put into it. But other than that, I mean, the arms fit. I bought a 14, because the last time I bought a gown there, I bought a 16, and it was too big! So, 14. 14, too small, but, you know, oh my god. This is so much dress. Jesus. Okay. So zooming out some, I mean, it is beautiful. Once I'm actually able to fit into it, it's going to be great. I have never worn this much dress before. Oh wow. Oh wow, okay. There's surprises under there. I'm also going to change the design some to make it more Christmassy. I am envisioning adding like some white fur trim up here, and then maybe down the front a little bit. The goal is Vera Ellen at the end of White Christmas. That is the gown I want. This is me getting close to it. And of course, opera gloves with white fur trim. I've also wanted something with a neckline like this. So, check. What I really think I love about this is I don't have to tuck. I don't have to wear pantyhose. I'd still wear pads. It is sparkling. Okay, this is great. Anyway, 'tis the season. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna store this in my New York City apartment. Well, thank y'all for watching this sneak peek at Barb Hardly's 2023 Christmas Eleganza Extravaganza. If you like what you've watched, please subscribe, like, comment, do whatever. Follow me on Instagram at Barb Hardly. And if you want to give me money to offset all of the cost, at Brett White 1. And you know what I say? Am I a woman? Hardly. Okay, God.